Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm just getting ready to install the KRX 1000 Tailgate cargo box. You're going to want this thing. One, you can keep your content secure out of the weather. It's also going to give you that tailgate function so the stuff that you have in the back of your machine can't slide out. Come on over, I'll show you a little bit about the install. What you're going to need to do for a little trick here, you're going to want to take these two Allen head screws out from down here. This is going to allow you to pull this plastic out, get your arm up into where you're going to put some nuts on the back of a few bolts. So on this side right here, you're going to undo your tie down anchor. Underneath there is going to be a round spacer that's going to stay inside the plastic. It'll make sense once you pull it out. There's also a plastic drain plug. Pop it out and discard it. You're not going to need it anymore. When you go to put this bolt in, that's where you're going to need access to put that nut on the back. 14 foot-pounds on this. I would highly recommend staying under about 9 foot-pounds on this. If you try to torque that up to 14 foot-pounds, it's going to snap that bolt off. Don't do it. You're going to have two different lengths of bolts. That's why I've left this one out. This bolt that I was just referring to with the nut on the bottom, it's a little bit longer, so you're going to have two of the long ones and two of the short ones. The short ones are going to put your tie-down anchors back in place, because once you remove that tie-down anchor, you're going to want to put it back to help keep content secure in the back. These are 71 inch-pounds, you guys, so you're going to want to torque those down and not over-torque them as well. You can kind of put that tie down in the location that you want it. Once your torque wrench vibrates, you're done. Over on this side, you're going to put the bracket down into place again like on the other side. I put this bolt in first to give you a template to drill out this hole. You're going to need a 10mm bit. You're going to drill that hole out, and then you're going to be able to put the bolt in with the nut on the bottom, and there you've got your tie down already secured on that side. From there, you're going to grab your cargo box, and on the inside, we've already pre-installed the knobs. There's a little keeper washer that you'll be able to put on there so you don't lose the knobs. On each side, you've got a little notch here, and it's notched out on both sides of the machine so you can't put it in the wrong place. So you're going to come up, drop it into position, push it down nice and tight. This is lockable. It only comes with one key, so be sure to not lose your key, you guys. Open that up, and on the inside, you've got a quick release knob here that you can just tighten this with your hand. Do that on both sides. And now your cargo box is secure. It does have a nice foam gasket on the side. It's going to keep the elements out. We're going to get out and test this baby to see if the water and the dust is going to stay out. We do have these boxes here in stock. If you'd like more information, you know where to find it, bigpinesports.com. You can also give us a call, 435-427-3338, a must-have accessory for your KRX 1000. Have a great night, everybody.